do a pizza review on Perry County's new joint that just opened up, Perry's Pizza Co. They got a travel grill. They have a nice little spot here in town, so you can catch it. And we went ahead and grabbed the pizza, so we're gonna give it a try. So the pizza's gonna be Woodfired grill. I'll go ahead and pop that open. Ooh, that looks delicious. We got the Neapolitan, and then we got our cheese and pepperoni Neapolitan. We're gonna go ahead and see Bobby give us what he thinks of his first slice.
It looks hot as hell.
Yeah, it was pretty hot.
Tiny.
But it was delicious. Nice and crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
It holds its shape pretty good. Got a little pepperoni on there. Got our basil. What do you think
Pepperoni's
about
crunchy. The crust is kind of toothsome.
Yep.
You know what that means?
Good flavor.
Yep.
Yep. I'm gonna go with mine. If I had to give it a 1 out of 10.
The sauce is thin.
Thin, yeah. Well, that's what they do for a Neapolitan. It's more of a thinner sauce.
Okay.
But yeah, if I had to give it 1 to 10 on mine, I would give it a, for the area and everything, a good like 6.2.
Really, I think it's like an 8.5 or something.
8.5 from Bobby, 6.2 from myself. So you can catch him in New Bloomfield on the square.